to keep the order strong, but tightened every rule too long. What once supported now constrains. Pressure builds, resistance gains. Voices strain against the frame. Harmony slips under strain. Control replaces common sense, and balance bends beneath the weight. When the rules are drawn too tight, they block the flow they meant to guide. What begins with good intent can fracture trust and cause dissent. Soften now, adjust the tone. Lead with example, not stone. Harsh lines push the will away. What could grow begins to fray. You see the cost, you feel the break. This is the moment to recalibrate. Release what no longer fits. Allow some room for human shifts. Regret dissolves when change is made, and harmony can be reclaimed. When the rules are drawn too tight, they block the flow they meant to guide. What begins with good intent can fracture trust and